If you're looking for a nice driving, excellent running, great sounding Impala, take a look at this one. 1966 Chevy Impala. Two-door hardtop. This is powered by a small block Chevy 350 V8 underneath the hood that has less than 1,000 miles on it since it's been rebuilt. This vehicle is also very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. It does have disc up front, so power disc brakes up front. It is also a factory AC car. It has a later model AC compressor and AC system that has been installed on it. I was playing around with it just a little bit ago. I did not get the compressor to turn on and off. I'm guessing it needs a charge because everything is all there. Switches all seem to be working. Probably needs a charge. This vehicle is also in the correct color that it would have came from Chevrolet back in 1966. Also has a black vinyl interior, bucket seats, floor shift. The automatic in it is a turbo 350 automatic. Check out the underside pictures. Check out how solid this car is underneath also. Underside pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. You can see up and down it how nice a luster the paint has, how straight this car is. This vehicle was brought to us on consignment, I suppose, 4 to 6 years ago. A gentleman at that time traded in a Corvair on it, purchased this car. He's had it for the last, like I said, 3-4 years, and decided it was time to move on, do something different. Like we see so many people do, they like to change it up after 3 to 5 years, say. So he brought it back to us. It is now being offered for sale. Like I said, it is a great sounding car. Nice runner driver. He had some fun with it, took it to local shows. It's one of those you could show it, take it to your local cruise-ins, or just have a little fun with it on Sunday afternoons or weekend driver. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Financing is available. We can help arrange transportation to where you're located at. And of course, we do consider trades. Once again, still pictures. Check out the engine bay, trunk, underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead, take a look down this side here too, and you see how straight this car is up and down it. Like I said, original color would have came in this car. Very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Vinyl bucket seats. Center console. Turbo 350 automatic. Shifter on the floor. Door cards. Also in very nice shape. Check out the vinyl seats here. Just a great car all the way around. We're going to go ahead and start this up. Does have a later model aftermarket digital stereo in there, fits nicely, and then a few aftermarket gauges down here for oil, temp, and volts, I'm assuming there. Water temp, oil temp, or excuse me, oil pressure, and volts. Does have a tach up here. I did not notice that working. Gas gauge did work though. Let's go ahead and start this up. Starts easily, nice little rumble to it. Let her warm up here just a second. The fan does blow and everything, and like I said, the switch is working. I think the AC just needs to be charged. Get that nice little rumble out of it. Slip around back, and there you can see the gas gauge did come up, if you can see that. Slip around to the back, nice little door closes, beautiful. Nice little low-B idle out of it. Again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop that hood, and you can check out the engine bay and see how smooth this engine runs. Nice it looks under there. All right, so check out this engine bay, under hood, finished off nicely underneath the hood there. Check out the engine bay, power brakes, power steering, AC compressor, Like I said, this 350 V8 underneath there was rebuilt. Has less than 1,000 miles on it, probably 500-600 tops. You see how nice and tight it is underneath there. Very well taken care of car. Feel free, give us a call. Be happy to help you out with this one. Tell you anything that we know about it. 507-386-1726. Again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, we do consider trades. There is financing available. And of course, we can assist you with transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.